All right, now I've just fixed my frog back up after that fish. I've noticed he's just ripped the leg off. Now this is an old frog, like I said. This has been on for quite a while, so I'd actually guess this might have been on for a couple of months actually. It's been out in the sun. It's not the best neck, because when I pulled it, it was sticking to the roof of the car when I brought it. It was sticking to everything actually, so I just want to see if it works with one leg, because I know there's fish here, so it'll be a good little test. I've got more in the car, but it's getting pretty dark. I'm not going to head off soon, so I'll just give another bloody 5 minutes. Just see if the fish like a one-legged frog. Oh, there we go. Yep, they do like a one-legged frog. Oh, I've just lost it. I dropped him. Well, at least I know it works, so I don't have to throw this frog in the bin now. Actually, he was a bit bigger. I think he was a bit bigger than the other one, so it is getting dark, running out of light here. I'll just give another 2 minutes. Oh, oh, wonder if that's the same one. Yep. Oh, how much fun is this? Oh, don't want to go home, but those mozzies might turn up soon as soon as that sun goes down, so yeah, you might be the last one for the day, mate. Like I said, I just wanted to see if that frog, one-legged frog, worked, and it did.